In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive diagrams in draw.io for Confluence. By the end, you'll be able to click buttons in your diagram to show or hide content right on your Confluence page, making your documentation cleaner and more engaging. First, open Confluence and go to the page where you want the diagram to live. Make sure you can edit the page and that the draw.io integration is available in your workspace. If you're good there, start editing the page. Now insert a new draw.io diagram by typing the / command and selecting draw.io. This creates a blank canvas where we'll build both the content and the controls. Give the diagram a meaningful name so it's easy to find later, then confirm to open the editor. Next, open the Layers panel. In the top menu, go to View and choose Layers. Layers are the foundation of interactivity in draw.io because they let you organize what's visible at any given time. If you don't see the panel, expand it from the right sidebar until it's docked. Create 2 layers to keep things tidy. One layer will hold your interactive elements, the shapes you'll click, like buttons or tabs. The other layer will hold the content you want to show or hide. Name them clearly, for example, buttons and details, so you can target them easily later. You can reorder layers if needed and even lock them temporarily to avoid accidental edits. Design your button using any shape or text you like. Make it obviously clickable with a color, label, or hover style. When it looks right, right-click that shape and select Edit Link. In the link dialog, you'll enter a JSON action that tells the diagram what to do when the shape is clicked, specifically to toggle a different layer or a particular element on and off. Choose the target carefully so it references the layer that contains your hidden content. If you're using multiple toggles, be consistent with your layer names so each button affects the correct content. When you're ready to try it out, save your diagram and publish the Confluence page. Interactivity runs in view mode, so testing after publishing gives you the true experience your viewers will have. Click your button and confirm the content layer appears or disappears as expected. If something doesn't respond, revisit the link on your button and verify that it targets the right layer and that the layer's initial visibility is set how you want it using the eye icon in the Layers panel. That's it. Your draw.io diagram is now interactive inside Confluence, ready to make complex information easier to explore.